Yo, 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 Waldo. I'm here at the Discount Perfume Lady today. And checking out this stuff. Look at this stuff. This is awesome. Needing some perfume? She's got you covered here. I mean, look at these. These are really nice. Don't forget about the little kitties. Toys, she's got you covered. Not to mention the shirts. Look at these awesome shirts. Quality, only $5 each. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get me some of these. These are nice. So don't forget to stop by the Discount Perfume Lady. All your perfume, cup, toy needs. On the A row, every Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. See you there.